turn over or?
Stairs, you're perfect actually. So let's get this out of your ear. I've actually got someone standing behind me today watching what I'm doing, so no pressure. What I'm trying to do is loosen it from the canal base because it's stuck and it's come out as simple as that. There's that wax.
Oh, that's it. Lovely.
So let's re-inspect your ear. Yeah, the eardrum looks nice and healthy. It looks like the other ear now. You've just got a bit of dead skin around the edge, which we leave because that's normal. A bit of wax around the edge, but that's not going to cause you any hearing problems. Fantastic, all done.
That's it.
Perfect. Right, dry wax. Got a bit of hair matted to it, so loosening it from you. Got a bit of skin there, which is it's got the wax out the ear, but that skin was still stuck, so it's like tug of war against it. So that's the skin at the bottom.
Oh my gosh!
That's the wax. So you can see the skin actually wraps around the base of the wax.
What?
Let's just make sure all of it's out of your ear. So I'll re-examine it for you.
Where's the skin come from?
So skin is from the lining of the ear canal wall. There we are. I'm happy with that. So there is a bit of skin left there, but with skin, if you suction skin like what you've got left, and it's not going to cause you any problems, you get a loud clarinetting noise. The skin gets trapped in the suction probe and it just vibrates and it releases a really high frequency squeal. It's very uncomfortable, but otherwise your ear's nice and clear. Yeah, I can see the whole eardrum, and I'll show you on the video in a moment. But wax is composed of dead skin. 60% of wax is actually dead skin, actually. Yeah, that's all out. So it wasn't a lot, I've seen a lot more, but
it was completely blocked.
It's completely blocking. Sometimes it's not the quantity of the earwax, it's whether it's blocking the whole ear canal and create the seal.
Yes.
How are you feeling on that side? Feel
This
okay?
side?
Yeah?
Yes, that's I can hear.
Okay, that's good.